Alright mamas, so welcome back, and in today's video I'm basically going to show you guys how I get these effortless waves, curls, whatever you want to call it. How I do these effortless curls in about literally less than, I want to say it takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It basically depends on how long your hair is. I'm going to move back a little bit so you guys can see. Front to end, it's pretty long. This is a 26-inch 360 frontal, so air, and it has the lace in the back. Mine's currently is just like a regular wig because yeah, I don't know how to install my 360 frontal. So y'all, if y'all have any videos or anybody who does do the 360 frontals, please direct it in my comments below. Speaking of comments, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, especially if you are interested in my hair content. If you enjoy anything that I put out and just content in general that I put out, don't forget to also hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you guys so much for staying with me, and let's just stop rambling and jump right into it. And also, by the way, it is kind of like a little chit chatty type of vibe, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just do it. Alright mamas, so we're gonna hop right into the video. So basically what I always start off with is I get my brush, and my hair has already, like, I just like hot combed my frontal, so everything is pretty much gonna lay how I want it to lay. So I get my brush. My hair, I usually have it split into like 2 sections. Hold on, because I don't know what the fuck happened here. It's like a little matted. Like, I gotta comb that out. And my wig, I need to tighten this wig, truthfully. This is a frontal wig 360, but I don't know how to do like the 360 part while it's on my, like, I can't do it to myself at least, so I just wear like a regular wig. But anyway, like, let's not even ramble. So I'll clip this. So I clip one side. I have my butterfly clips. I clip one side so that's like out the way. I'll basically will spray like the back and like the ends, because that's where it'll have like a little tangle, or it can sometimes be dry, and then I'll brush that out like so. And then pretty much you're gonna section your hair. So I'm gonna do one section like this. When I do like these effortless waves, I usually don't like for it to be super small, because typically you're in a rush. Like when I do this hairstyle, I'm just like want my hair done, but I don't have a lot of time to do super small curls. So y'all know I always use my curling wand. I will link the curling wand in the description where I got it from, and then I just wrap my hair around like this. I'll hold it for about 30 seconds or so, and I'll just like basically just start wanding my hair. So that's pretty much it. Very simple, not too hard type of thing, but I figured let's just chat while I do this. So I'm just gonna talk to you guys about just regular life stuff, and yeah, how I feel. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. See, but this is the curl. The hair is pretty long, so I just had to adjust the camera. But let's get into the chit chatty part. Right now, so far for 2021, I feel like I have learned some lessons just in general about people and who to trust and who to bring in my life and who I shouldn't be bringing in my life. I just feel like right now I'm learning a lot of life lessons, and a lot of true colors have been shown. It hasn't been nothing too crazy, to say the least, but I just feel like I'm on some wisening up type of thing, and I'm really on a take care of myself type of route, looking out for myself, learning myself, what I want for myself, what I don't want, what I'm willing to put up with, what I don't want to put up with. Not trying to basically compete or fit in with what others are doing, but more so be on this journey for my own self and my own well-being. And so far it's been good. I mean, definitely I know some people probably feel like I have moved funny, or I'm moving funny, but I'm really not. I'm just really on some shit. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the love. I'm gonna show y'all what y'all show me. If I feel like you ain't you're not showing me nothing, why am I gonna go out of my way to show you anything? Hold on, because I'm trying to grab a back piece and I just like really freaking messed up my hair. Don't y'all hate when that happens? When you like trying to grab one piece but you grab the wrong piece. I'm probably gonna recurl this again. But yeah, I definitely have learned that. Also, I don't know, one thing about me, and I feel like this could be like a Taurus thing. I don't want to go too deep into astrology or anything like that because I could be wrong, but I just feel like sometimes I'm the type of person, I like to see the good in every single person, and I like to believe that people are not going to do me dirty or do me wrong. But yeah, unfortunately it's not like that. Like, people are not always who they say they are, or always telling you the truth. So definitely I can't be naive and I can't be gullible, which is hard because it's like I don't want to do that and it seems like I'm being a bitch or something. So that's just where I'm at right now. My eyelash looks weird. This one right here looks a little weird in the front. I hate when that happens. But as you guys can see, I basically am just sectioning the hair, parting the hair like so. I did probably about 3 sections so far. Now I'm on to my 4th section. As I get to the top, I do take it a little bit less and less because I want it to be a little bit more curled towards the front. I wrap it in the same direction like so. But yeah, that's just where I'm at right now. That's like the main biggest update I can give you guys of where I'm at. Yo, this eyelash is like really blowing mine. But either this eye is just like naturally smaller. I can't hate that. Boom. And you guys gonna see like when I take this robe off. But because I'm doing my hair, I'm leaving the rope on. I'm gonna get this back piece right here. Sometimes I forget that to do the back piece when I do my waves, and like you don't want to forget that because the back pieces towards the top at least definitely give your hair a nice amount of volume. But with this unit, I'm gonna honestly add another bundle to the unit probably like tomorrow. I'm gonna add another bundle to the unit. And I'm gonna come back in and show you guys. I'll probably do another tutorial because I did a poll on IG. So basically these waves, the effortless waves or crimps, and I know everybody wanted to see the crimps, but because I'm in a rush, I didn't do the crimps. I said let me just do the waves first, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I do my crimps once I add that next bundle, because that's gonna take time. And also I kind of don't like the machine I have, like the crimper I have. I'm not crazy about it. It's not like my favorite crimper. So yeah, so I'm at the top. Pretty much I did the same exact thing. I'm holding this and I'm gonna let it go, and boom, you got loose waves. Sometimes I'll go back in, like I'll probably go in right in here and do another one because it looks too flat for me. But you have like loose waves. I'm more of a wave kind of girl. I don't really like it to be too curled because I usually brush it out, or sometimes what I also do a lot is I do like my rollers, like flexi rods a lot. I'll do use flexi rods quite often for my hair too. And then boom, let it go. I have some big sexy hair that I bought that I'm gonna spray in my head right now. Just to kind of get it to stay. And then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back once I finish the other side and just show you guys how it's gonna look overall. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look right here. This is how my effortless waves come out. all in all, it took me about maybe 15 minutes to do both sides just because my hair is a lot longer. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Later, mamas.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go.